Hi, this is Corey with Fine Tune Customs and Project X channel. Got an exciting little truck for myself. I've just recently finished 92 Z71 rig cap shorty factory bucket console truck. Started out life as step side and it was red, believe it or not. But I'll flip the camera around and we'll roll a few pictures here before of what it looked like before. And I'll flip the camera around and show you the truck. Okay, it's 1992 Z71 red cap shorties. Thing is a cream puff now. I've wanted to have a little black shorty for quite some time. I'm glad I finally got another one. Went pretty much right back to bone stock. You got like the old Bilstein shocks and everything underneath. Truck was a complete frame off. Restoration. Tore it right down, jammed it out. Oh, I got a bunch of crap in here still, sorry. So this is up here in Canada, and you never see these things up here that often. Nice. Normally rusted out shit boxes. Kind of looks cool the way it's built. It looks like just a barn find. Here's the interior. Looks pretty good. Jammed out everything nice. A couple of cool features here on the truck is I did a backup camera here. Just wired it into the reverse. Super handy, super cool. It's kind of neat to have that in a old truck. Give you a quick show of the motor. It's I think it's one of those 330 horsepower GM Performance Parts crate engines. We got headers and whatnot. I think they're 330 horse, 390 foot-pound of torque. We just kind of got the thing up and running. The idle's a little funny, but other than that, it runs down the highway like a champ. So anyways, guys, I want to get this channel going, and I really want to do something bad to this truck. I really want to do a 6-inch lift with some 22 forces. We get up to 10,000 views, I will do it. So let's get these views pumped up and get some more subscribers. Would be awesome. Okay, thanks a lot for stopping by, checking out the truck, and hope we get these subscriptions up and views up. Then we'll make this truck pimpin'. Okay, thank you, everybody.
Here we go. Straw hats, flip-flops, coolers and brews. Taillights, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and boozed. Sunshine, good times, tied up pontoons. Taillights, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and boozed. Hey. Got the whole boat bouncing like a trampoline. Light up the stash like it's gasoline. Boom, boom, like the fourth Uncle Sam and we. Lit like a fire on a sandy beach. Ain't no lightweight, does it the right way. Post Malone, I got another Bud Light race. Tatch on the back, getting high and sideways. The tan on the thigh, still bright from light rays. Make them waves when the Spotify plays. In your black bikini, in your black fly shade. Show the rest of the world how you love to get loose. All American girl, red, white, and boozed. Straw hats, flip-flops, coolers and brews. Taillights, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and boozed.
Now hop your big booty up in the Super Duty. We're gonna take it to the lake for the day, then later on the night we all gonna get right. Fire up the green, call up the team. Might see some things you ain't never seen, like 3 girls playing Twisted Naked. Heard birds saying I can't take it. Text screaming out shake it, shake it. Good Lord, I hope we all make it. Don't worry about us, we gon' be fine. Shout out to them girls with tattoos and tan lines.
Straw